What's going on, guys? My name is Javier and welcome to RIVA Motorsports Marine the Keys. Today we're going to be talking about the 2025 SX195. Let's go show you the rest of this boat. Right here we're at the aft of the boat. As you can see, we have many features to go over. So you got your handlebars, you got your ladders, you got your dive platform, and as you can see, there's no outboard motor on here. So you don't have to worry about this being in the way. You and your family could jump off, get on easily, and have a carefree time when you're on the water. Besides that, you got cup holders, you got accessible seating platform right here, and also a big feature Yamaha has, this safety hatch. This safety hatch is to give you access to your port, so allow you to clean out any debris that's tangled up in there. You could visually, you could see what's going on in there. And on top of that, if any emergency happens, you're covered. This safety switch right here will automatically shut off your engine and protect you in those long rainy days. And you also have more storage space along with your flush out port right there. Now let's keep going to the rest of the boat. All right, guys, right here, we are at the afterboat still, but as you can see, we have a lounge area seating. You got optimal storage space down below. You have speaker systems all the way around, so you guys and your family can enjoy it on the water. You got included in your system, you got your cooler, you got a bracket for your tube and your table. And you also got your 2 captain's chairs for you and your co-pilot to go enjoy the ride. Let's go talk about the helm. All right, guys, before I show you the helm, right here is one of my favorite features. This hatch allows you to have access to your supercharged SVHO engine. This is about an 1812 displacement, 240 horsepower. This is where all your servicing needs can get taken care of. You can do oil changes, filter changes, and you can have access to see what's going on down there in your engine bay. And as you can see, it's tucked away, out of sight, out of mind. Let's go look at that helm. All right, guys, right here, we're at the helm station. Now, Yamaha, this is an entry-level boat for Yamaha. So as it is an entry-level boat, they want to keep it as simple as possible. That way you can enjoy your ride all the more. So as you see right here, I got my tilt option for my steering wheel. I got my accessible buttons, so I got horn, bilge, navigation and anchor lights, courtesy lights, my blower option for the motor. I got my key gauge, I have my audio system gauge, which is Bluetooth, and I have my screen gauge that tells me how fast I'm going, RPMs, battery life, gas life, and you have a phone holder, so you can enjoy navigation all the more easier. And I also got my throttle gauge right here. This helm station is designed to make it all the more simple and easier for anybody who's getting into jet boats to enjoy their ride. And let's go check out the rest of this boat. All right, right here we're at the bow of the boat, and I want to show you a nice feature. Right here I can open and close and freely lock down this windshield for traveling, and also so that way no one gets splashed around while you're driving. Right here you can sit up to 3 people. You got more storage space down below under each seat, as you can see right here. And I got my anchor box down below as well, okay? So you got handlebars, you got speakers, all to make the ride the more enjoyable, and you got more storage space. As you can see, trash can, I got a space for my table, I got a space for my tube. I can put all my gear down below where no one's gonna be bothered by it. This boat does come with a bimini top. All right, that's it for the SX195. Why don't you come on down to RIVA Motorsports Marine the Keys. We're here Monday to Saturday, 9 to 5. Look on our websites for our daily specials and call us in. See if you have any questions, we'll feel free to answer them for you, all right? See you next time.